Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the HP printer error code message E3 that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to restart both your printer and your computer. So make sure everything is restarted to do a complete power cycle. So anything that's turned on, go ahead and actually restart it. And also make sure your printer is properly connected to your Wi-Fi as well if you're using a wireless printer. And if you're still having an issue, you can open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side underneath options, go ahead and select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the printer troubleshooter and the run button that corresponds to it. And then go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to scroll down to the print spooler service. So go ahead and double click on that. Set startup type to automatic and then stop the service, and then you want to start it up again. And then select apply and OK. And then attempt the print function, and hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.